Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man. It's time to make some soap. So what we're going to be doing this evening is not 100% sure yet, probably a drop swirl if it works, if the fragrance holds up. I will be using Brambleberry's Lovespell type. I've not used it before. A lot of people have used it, a lot of companies make it. From Brambleberry, this has a very sweet, fruity smell, which I like. They say it behaves well, although it discolors to a yellow, but I don't think it's going to matter because I'm going to be doing white, so it'll have a lot of titanium dioxide to cover it up. Then we'll be doing activated charcoal black. Be using Brambleberry's electric bubblegum, which will be toned down. This is a really hot pink. It'll be toned down with some white to make more of a creamy pink. And then Nurse Your Soap's Trial by Fire, which gets a really nice red. So I'll be using white, black, pink, and red. And a lot of people have done this, so I'm going to put my own spin on it. So let's just go ahead and get started. Put the lye water in, get a light emulsification, put it into 4 containers, color it, scent it, and pour it. And I need this container, so give me just a minute while I clean it out. Almost finished. Just bear with me one moment. Almost there. Let's make sure the camera doesn't cut off. When it sits with nothing going on, it likes to shut itself down. So anyway, alright, here we go. Burp the air out of the stick blender. Make a little bit of noise for a light emulsification. That is good start. So I will get it into my 4 containers. And as always, or almost always, close is absolutely good enough. And I will scrape that out so we don't waste any soap. Looks like that one's probably the lowest, so I'll put it in this one. Alright. Now, we'll line these up in the order I'm going to pour. I'm going to put most of my titanium dioxide in, but save some for the pink. And I've gotten a little more comfortable recently with just putting the dry colorant in and whisking it in and giving it a very light stick blend. So let's hope I'm not making a mistake. We'll find out soon. This is a hot pink, which we will tone down with some white, some TD. And this will be our red. Okay, so let's hand stir to start out with. stick blend as necessary, which definitely will be necessary with the white. Stirring lightest to darkest, so we'll start with the white, go to the pink, red, and go to the black. And you have to be careful with this activated charcoal because it's so light, but once it gets mixed in, then it's alright. Once it gets wet. Alright. Now, we'll stick blend a little bit, lightest to darkest. And I'll hand stir my color in. Holding up well. Alright, we're going to hand stir the colors in and we're going to pour this sucker. So clean my whisk off. I know this 4-ounce bottle is a 6% usage rate, and with this recipe, the maximum is actually less in this bottle, so I can safely divide this whole bottle up equally among the colors, and it's just under the maximum safe usage, so we're good. And we'll stir these in and pour it. Red. And black. And we're holding up wonderfully. I'm tempted to hit it with a stick blender, but at the same time I'm a little bit afraid. No, I'm not going to do it. Plus it's dirty, so we're not going to do it. We're going to pour it just like it is. Okay, let's get that. Try to get that glare off. Too much glare. That's a little better. We'll start with some white. Black. Pink. And red, and we'll start over and do that pattern until we're out of soap batter. And this is our final pass. And I want to try, if I can, I don't think I have, well, let me see. No, I don't think I have enough. I wanted to try and cover the top with white, but I don't have enough. So I'm just going to pour a line of white. And we're still nice and fluid. A line of black. Still nice and fluid. A line of pink. With some black mixed in now. A line of red. And I am having a heck of a time here. I've got my stand spread out too far. I am so sorry. I will try to warn you ahead of time in the description with that. Now we're just going to go smack that on the floor and hopefully I won't drop you again. Okay. And because I don't want that to ash over, I'll spray it with some rubbing alcohol. Here we go. And it does smell nice. I can really smell it. So I'll clean the sides up a little bit off camera. I'll get the rest of those containers in one single muffin mold. And I'll see you tomorrow morning for the cut. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Bye. Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man, and 12 hours later it's time to cut the Lovespell soap. Went ahead and split the log, but I haven't opened it up yet, so I haven't seen the inside of it. I can tell we had a nice hot extended gel, because first of all, 12 hours, it popped right out of the mold, and it is so shiny and slick I can see my hand in the reflection in it. So, you ready? I haven't seen it yet either. Here we go. Aha. Yeah. Vibrant red. I really like that Trial by Fire by Nurture Soap. So let's just go ahead and cut these into bars and see what we have. Try to eliminate that glare and not knock you over like I did in the making video. Okay. Aha. and it really smells good. It did behave well. Brambleberry said it turns it yellow, but I think the colors covered it up. I could see the white is maybe just a little bit darkened, but it's just not noticeable. So yeah, that will be a repeat purchase. Ooh, this is nice and fun. And since we're moving right along, let's just go ahead and cut the other log and see what we have. And here we have it, Lovespell. First time I've used it, but it definitely won't be the last. I really like this, like the behavior. I have a great pour. Held up well, smells really good. And the pour ended up looking nice. I'm really pleased with this. Listen, this is Sunday. Tomorrow's Memorial Day. I hope it's meaningful to you. It should be a meaningful day, and I hope it is, and I hope you all enjoy the day. And I will see you again June 1st. Take care. Stay safe, everybody. Bye.